Two of Swords energy. Okay, it looks like there's something here that you do not see coming, no? My attention was being drawn with this gold foil, no? Or gold eye mask dito. Pero kung ano man ito, no? Looks like this is something here that you need to see. You need to witness, no? Pero not by sight, but through your emotions and feelings, no? The blue ones, no? Ayan, ang laki ng part ng blue kahit yung mukha mo dyan, blue, no? So, meaning to say, no? You need to use your emotions, your intuition, okay? The alignment here, your heart, your mind, no? Kailangan coherent yan, no? Naka-align, ibig sabihin. So, alamin natin dito, there could be options, but let's see. Okay. Hmm? Okay, 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 okay. Hold on, hold on. So let me see, let me see. Okay, the bartender is right here. Okay, definitely. Let's see at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Ace of Coins energy, the biggest Ace of Coins energy na, and we've got the moon right, behind. Napakalaki ng moon, no? So, nakikita natin dito that this is something here hidden, like secret pa sa inyo. Pero sasabihin ko yan sa inyo, no, para mas maintindihan ninyo anong klaseng sikreto iyan, okay? So, let me see. We have here the Six of Coins also at the bottom of the deck. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers and sa ating mga returning viewers. Thank you po. And yun nga sa ating mga masusugid na mga taga-subaybay. Na-appreciate ko po kayong lahat, mga mahal, no? At sa ating mga bago, welcome po. You can also bring your other friends and loved ones here, okay? And yun nga, reminders muna us na before we dive deeper sa inyong reading, no? Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Wala po tayong gender dito, no? Let's focus sa energy and sa storyline. And also, no, wala rin po tayong time period. So, meaning to say, pwedeng ito ay tapos na, like nangyari na. Sa iba nangyayari na ngayon at sa iba ay mangyayari pa lamang, kaya naman just take only what resonates, guys, no? And yes, no, meron kayong free will at the end of the day kung gusto niyo na i-claim yung mga messages or not, no? Or kung gusto ninyong gawin guidance yung mga messages, no, kung nag-resonate for you guys, no? Okay, it's up to you. So here, definitely someone here is coming. Yung iba dumating na to sa inyong life, no? This is here someone who's fresh, brand new, okay? And I do see that there will be a lot of desire, a lot of passion right here, no? A lot of tig tig ng inyong heartbeat, no? Someone here, no, already came into your life, no, fresh, new energy. Others, parating pa lang siya and you're meeting this person here in the upcoming days. Ganun kabilis, Miss Yan? Yes, no? Yung iba in the upcoming weeks, no? At hindi na nga talaga ganun kalayo na mamit nyo yan, mga babes, no? Mabilis nyo na lang na makikilala yung bago na yan with that Page of Cups energy. Could be younger than you but doesn't have to be. But this person here is kind of sweet. So, nakikita ko dito na sa kanyang mga words at sa kanya dito pag-express ng emotions and feelings. So excited to be always around you, to be always with you. This person here is expressive of his or her emotions. No? So definitely, if this person right here is not younger than you sa age, this person could be, younger looking, no? Compare sa kanyang age. This person here could be older than you, pero mukha talaga siyang mas bata kumpara sa kanyang edad. Or pwede edad lang kayo nitong person na to, no? Yun na nakikita natin dito. So, here, nakita ko, no, na yung energy mo upon this arrival, no, ng taong ito na lumalabas bilang love interest, new love ninyo, at yung iba dumating na nga. So, with this 7 of coins energy to the 8 of coins, nakikita ko rito na talagang with open arms, you're gonna entertain this new guy, new girl na paparating sa inyong life. LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo mga sweethearts. So, if you happen to hear na may noise sa ating background, no, thank you so much for your understanding, mga babes. No, please, mag-focus na lamang kayo sa aking voice. And yun nga, no, going back right here, no, so someone here is may dumating, yung iba dumating na nga sa inyo, and it already drives you crazy. So, nakita ko rito, no, na talagang napapakilig, napapatibok na nitong tao na tong iyong puso, no, and you like this person here because you're showing me that you're already entertaining this person here. If this person here is already in your life, and if wala pa, you're gonna definitely talaga, no, na-entertain mo itong tao na to, no, you will be welcoming this person here with open arms. Yun ang nakikita natin dito, no? Pero, don't be such a fool, mga babes, no? Yeah, hindi naman siya rito masamang tao. Hindi rin naman siya rito toxic na energy. Pero ang ibig kong sabihin na don't be fool. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Right at the center of your reading is the High Priestess energy. We have here this Ace of Cups right here. And, ooh, the bartender is also here. Look at that, see? Destiny, no? Yung susunod dyan na makikilala mo ang siyang taong para sa'yo. Huh? What? Miss Yana, you're just kidding me. I'm already giving attention to this new guy, new girl. What about my feelings and emotions? I'm so kilig na with this new person na nakilala ko lang, no? And feeling ko, gusto ko na talaga siya. So, what are you talking about? Meron pang susunod sa kanya. Yeah! Listen to your intuition, sweetheart. The High Priestess is right here. And kung masaya ka na ngayon na nararamdaman mo yan, na excitement na yan dahil meron ditong bagong pag-ibig na dumating sa'yo, mga babes, no? Hindi pa siya ang tao para sa'yo. Yung susunod na tao ang siyang nakikita kong nakatakda para sa'yo. Yung susunod na tao, yung nakikita ko rito, na talagang meron kayo rito nung napagkasundo ang contract, no? So you could had already encountered this soul in one of your past lives, no? At hindi nga lang one, pwedeng sa dalawa, no, na past lives mo dito or more. So, nakita ko dito, no, na itong pangalawang makikilala mo, ang siyang taong tinutukoy dito ni Universe upang maging talaga, no, na ka-fit na talagang union ninyo. So, definitely, this one is really the one for you. Look at the different phases of the moon, no? Matagal naman kayo, no, na hindi rito pinagtagpo. Nakita ko rito mga babes, no, na ito na yung oras at ito na yung tamang panahon, no? So, mga babes, no, today, today talaga miss yan. Yeah, today is full moon, no? So for some reason, okay, this is the evolution of time. And I'm giving you right here tip, you can attract and manifest this kung hindi mo pa siya nakikilala a lot faster, no? If you pray with all your heart, okay, for the attraction of this soulmate, no? Like now, no? Ngayon, mga babes, no? Or, okay, later, no? Like yung mag-aalas stress na ng hapon, no? So, definitely, no, call upon this true soulmate of yours, no, para mas mabilis siya ritong makapasok sa inyong life, no. So, kung hindi mo pa yan nakikilala, no, hatakin mo siya, no, papunta sa inyo. Siya ang tunay rito, no, na nararapat para sa iyo, no. And miss yan pa isa, ha. Yan, no. Alam mo mga babes, no, kung kinikilig ka na, no, dito sa una mong nakilala or una mong makikilala, no, nakikita ko rito na mas kikiligin ka sa talagang taong nararapat para sa iyo, no. Nakikita ko rito, no, na kung tumitibok na yung puso mo dyan sa una mong nakilala, mas lalong bibilis ang pagtibok ng puso mo, no? Dun sa susunod mong makikilala dahil siya talaga ang taong nararapat para sa'yo, no? Nakikita ko dito that with this two of coins energy, parehas mga babes, no, na maganda ang pinapakita nila, no, sa kanilang mga energies. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, no, the coin symbolizes right here, no, that they are someone here, no, worth keeping. Pero yung isa, okay, nakikita ko rito na kung gusto mo yan magstay sa life mo, pwedeng friend lang. Yan, no? Okay, worth siya as a friend, no? So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na pwede mo pa rin maging kaibigan yung una, no? At nakikita ko na magiging supporter mo yan, no? Okay, sa iyong life, no? If you are willing to still keep that person here, no? So, nakikita ko, no, that the next person you're gonna meet after this person here is really the one for you. The one na talagang nakatagong, sekreto, hidden with the Ace of Coins, no, and with that big moon in the background, no. Ito ay isang malaking secret, pero ibinuking ko na sa inyo dahil ang sinasabi dito ni Universe, no, is huwag kayo masyadong magbigay ng maraming emosyon sa una ninyong makikilala or una ninyong nakilala na nagpapatibok na ng puso ninyo dahil hindi pa siya ang taong para sa iyo. Yung susunod, mga mahal, no? Kagaya nga ni Tito Boy, susunod. Yan. Yeah, susunod dito mga babes, no, siya ang man or woman of your dreams. LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo. Four of Swords energy. At nakikita ko na mas hihigitan niya ang mga nagawa nitong una mong nakilala, no, at mas magiging matimbang siya. I'm seeing a scale in the Six of Coins energy. Mas magiging matimbang siya for you. Yeah. So let me get a clue for this second person right here na yun na, no, yung susunod mo dito talaga na makikilala ang siyang the one for you, no. See, kung mapapansin mo mga babes, no, okay, this is your energy, diba? The Seven of Coins to the Eight of Coins, no. You are facing here, okay, na dapat ay facing ka dito, no. So meaning to say, okay, mas may pagpupuntahan pa ang iyong effort, no, na dito ka nakaharap. So this is here, okay, the place of the second individual that will enter your life, who happens to be your destiny. Diba? So, the second person right here is giving me the vibe that he or she is someone who's generous. So, matulungin siya. And kapag may lumapit sa kanya, mga babes, na baka yun yung maging selos-selos moments ninyo. Kasi siya ay klase ng energy na pag may humingi ng tulong, lumapit na humingi ng tulong, no, hindi niya ito tinatanggihan. So, hindi dahil nakikipag-flirt siya, if it is an opposite gender or LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo, no? Kundi gusto niya talagang tumulong at magbigay, no? This is also a type of individual, no, na hindi naman siguro public service ang kanyang trabaho or exactly na public servant siya or whatever, no? Pero siya ito mga babes, no, na meron siya ritong concern, no, sa mga animals na nakikita niya rito around him or her. Pwedeng mapagbigay din siya sa mga street children, no, at sa mga wala talaga. Or this is someone here, no, na talagang ano lang talaga siya. Mabuti lang talaga, no, ang kanya rito na intention. So, nakikita ko rito na pagtulong-tulong talaga. No, yun ang nakikita ko sa kanyang energy, no. At nakikita ko na bago naman din ito mga babes, no, minsan paano ko siya makikilala? Yan, no? Alam mga babes, no, with this high priestess right at the center of your reading, tumawag kayo, no, sa inyong angel guides right here, no, dahil ipapakita nila sa inyo yung mga signs and clues, no, na hihingin ninyo, might be in your dreams, might be while you are walking, might be while you are out and about, no, or might be habang kayo ay, excuse me, no, dumighay lang, or habang ang epic nung dighay ko, no? Dami ko kasi kinain kanina mga babes. So, yeah, I'm sorry. So, yun nga, no? So, dito, kitang-kita natin, no, that with the Four of Swords energy, no, pwedeng ipakita nila sa'yo rito, no, yung mga signs and clues na talagang hinihingi mo, no? So, yan. Pwedeng kahit na nagsi-cellphone ka lang, no? Makita mo dyan sa iyong phone, madaanan mo, ganyan. No? So, definitely, this is something here na pwede mong i-look forward kung talagang nahihirapan ka, no? Na ma-feel ito. You know? Lalo na, parehas pa sila rito nagtataglay ng magandang energies, no? With the Two of Coins energies. So, kuha pa tayo dito mga babes, no? Pero ito ay para lamang dun sa taong nakatakda for you guys. So, let me see more for this second energy. Ano pang pwedeng malaman ni collective dito sa second energy na the one nila. Okay. Ayan na, kakakita ko lang mga babes ng letter P. Yan o. As in, Popoy. So, pwedeng Popoy yung kanya rito, no, na nickname, no, or basta, meron siyang P sa kanyang name, no, or whatever. So, yan. Okay. But it could be, you know, a specific clue for someone watching. So, we have here this self-love. Love yourself first, okay? So, I think mga babes, no, mas mahalin niyo pa yung sarili ninyo, mas ipakita niyo pa rito, no, na talagang pinapahalagahan ninyo yung inyong sarili, no, self-worth, yan, no, or maybe this person right here is, nakikita ko na ready na siya to meet you guys, no, so definitely, this is the type of person right here na madali mo na lang din talagang maa-attract papunta sa'yo, na lalo na kung itong person na to, no, ay handa na rin talaga, no, to meet you, guys. And we also have here this let go of the past. Clear energy to allow more love in your life. Yes, nakita ko dito na posibleng siya ito, na tanggap niya na rito, no, na may mga nangyari talagang hindi maganda sa kanyang love life before. Maybe this is the type of hopeless romantic vibe. So, kung sino man to, nilet go niya na rito yung kanyang ex, no, at nakikita ko na hindi na rin siya in pain. So, definitely, na-cleanse niya na yung energy niya. That's why, na-mention natin na ready na siya rito to meet you, guys. And you also have here, perfect match, no? Mukhang magkakasundo kayo nitong person na to, no? You complete each other in the most harmonious way. So, kung sino man tong energy na nakikita ko rito, no? Na siya yung klase ng energy na makakaintindi at mas makakaunawa sa'yo, no? At nakikita ko dito that you can definitely show your true self in front of this person here without any judgment. So, hindi na kayo huhusgahan, kundi yayakapin niya rito yung mga imperfections na tingin mo sa iyong sarili at i-accept niya yun ng wholeheartedly. So, definitely, pwedeng meron din yung skin color difference, or maybe someone's hair right here is wavy. Maybe that's one of the clue. So, we also have here for you guys this soulmate. Definitely, I told you guys, no? You've already met each other's soul in one or more past life experiences ninyong dalawa. You have found your romantic counterpart. See, ang ibig sabihin nun, no? Found your romantic counterpart is, in other words, destiny. And bottom of the deck we have here for you guys is this rekindle. An old flame returns. No? Yeah, this is not an energy here of your ex, but ibig sabihin ng old flame na yan is yung past life connections ninyo. Definitely a brand new person right here is waiting for you. So, wow! claim these messages right here for you guys. Thank you so much. Again, I'm your Yana on me. Sarang Hiya, love in